So the reason why the 253 is very loud whenever I put my camera close to it, this tuner is kind of sensitive to other electronics, so yeah, I can't really get too close to that when I'm AMDXing for WLAC or WSM. But for FM, I can probably get like WABE, which I think y'all would have seen him a couple alerts ago, from a couple days ago. But they relayed WLAC for once, for Cheatham, Montgomery, and Dixon, I think. So cool to see this thing go off for it again. I don't really have any other thing that can go off for AM/FM. I don't have that unit and scanner, but yeah, that's cool. It didn't really go off for the first SVR for Robertson, but at least we got this one.
In Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the thunderstorm is located near Wilson, 470 miles northwest of Nashville.
I think it's rough here a little bit.
Beeman Park, Percy Priest Lake, and Green Hill. Those in downtown Nashville and attending Nissan Stadium are in the path of the storm and should prepare for imminent dangerous weather conditions. Seek shelter now. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 202 and 227. Interstate 65 between mile markers 77 and 93. Interstate 24 between mile markers 34 and 62. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lighting is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
So this is the first time I've heard any office use the specific event or location selection for an SVR, so that's very interesting.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Nashville City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to acres is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashville, Brentwood, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Antioch, Berry Hill, Beeman Park, Bells Bend, and Percy Priest Lake. This second severe storm will affect those in downtown Nashville and attending Nissan Stadium. If you are in these areas, you are in the path of the storm and should prepare for imminent dangerous weather conditions. Seek shelter now. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 198 and 218. Interstate 65 between mile markers 71 and 88. Interstate 24 between mile markers 47 and 62. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damage winds and continuous clouds emergency ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
It's an Arabic language.
Here we go again, Nashville.
Here on Topaz.
Talk Radio 98.3 and 1510 WANC.
Have you heard about AMAC, the Associate? Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brentwood, or 8 miles northeast of Franklin, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, Waverly, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Antioch, Berry Hill, and Troon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 67 and 80. Interstate 24 between mile markers 52 and 72. Interstate 840 between mile markers 38 and 47 and between mile markers 59 and 60. For your protection, don't forget to carry a room on the lowest floor of the building. Large shelter computers currently ground lightning is occurring this storm. Indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Eric's disease. Underwater review.
Here we go again, Nashville.
Have the yellow handle on it or some prominent
I'm
color.
gonna go from Montgomery County.
And when an officer uses one, they'll call out beanbag or whatever your department does as a procedure, so that it's known. The supervisors usually run this, so that it's known. Hey, this guy's going to fire a non-lethal round. This is not a fireman squad. Don't fire your actual weapons. This is a non-lethal round or whatever. So anyway, they show up. They ask everyone to get out of the car. The sister gets out. The guy gets out. It's holding on. And this is the part where, and I tweeted out a link to the video. And not for various, macabre reasons, but my question was, I don't know what else you can do. I mean, this is a nationwide thing. Any reasonable person watching the unfolding of events would say they were left in no position. The first thing that happens, deputies are there, they're out, the body cameras are on. One deputy says, hey, put the knife down, dude. Put the knife down. By the way, the deputies that responded are the deputies Pineda, Navarrete, Romero, and Trujillo. And one of them has been suspended and his law enforcement powers taken away.
WLAC. You see this, right? That's Montgomery County, served by KIG 79. I think, at least. How do you go off? Wait. What is KIG 79's coverage area? KIG 79. Literally the KC80 of Tennessee. Okay, so it does serve Montgomery. And it went off a couple alerts ago from Montgomery. Why didn't you go off? Come on, zoom. Why didn't you go off? Huh? I just realized I have 19 minutes of battery left. What the?
Tennessee until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles south of Clarksville to near Dixon, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Ashland City, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Taylor, Burns, Nashville, Charlotte, and later, Keene, and Cunningham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 for your protection move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. Between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building.
News. U.S. senators met in a rare Saturday session to make progress on the bipartisan $1.2 trillion.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Davidson County. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, north central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Moyer County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from White Bluff to near Fairview, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Redwood, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Thompson Station, Pegram, Bellevue, Antioch, Fairview, Bells Bend, Natchez Trace, and Highway 96 and Leapers Ford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 182 and 203. Interstate 65 between mile markers 50 and 79. Interstate 24 between mile markers 57 and 60. Interstate 840 between mile markers 7 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I knew that was going to happen. 268 is very lovely sometimes. I literally just put my camera battery to charge. But that's going on WSM.
Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Davidson County in Middle Tennessee. At 10:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen this evening. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Franklin, Ashland City, Nashville, Brentwood, Waverly, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Vailmead, Houston Springs, Pegram, Bellevue, Antioch, Berry Hill, Bells Bend, and Percy Priest Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flood roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Moore County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Bedford to New Columbia. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Columbia, Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Smyrna, Brentwood, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Thompson Station, Chapel Hill, Montrees, Eagle Hill, Bell Buckle, Christiana, I-65 east of Columbia, Fosterville, Freeland, Rover, and Belfast. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 32 and 72. Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 94. Interstate 840 between mile markers 26 and 55. For your protection, you need to maintain a room on the lowest floor of a building.
But these ones up there, these are Magilla fires, and they're going to burn for a while. The one...
Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected through tonight.
Wait, I'm stupid.
Right. Finally.
Alright, here it's fraud.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: flash flooding of small creeks and streams. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as poor drainage and other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding in locations that will experience flash flooding include Murfreesboro, Wilmington, Smyrna, Waverly, Juliet, Nolensville, Walkerville, Rural, Winter Station, Collegeville, Cedarville, and Reno. Let's Country, Milton, and Reno. Encountering flood around. Don't drown when encountering flood vehicles. Most flood deaths